Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode, which is right here, doesn't really matter because we'll open general settings. So let's start by swiping your finger from the top to the center or simply tapping on this arrow to open more options. Then go to the settings, so tap on this gear icon. Here tap on general and scroll all the way down. Then tap on other settings. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the option Restore Default Settings. So just tap on it and tap on OK. The settings will flash a little bit and it basically means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.